Bonani, welcome back to our YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, your YouTube channel, everybody's YouTube channel. Please make sure you subscribe, but what's most importantly, leave a comment, press like, just leave a comment. Happy Thursday. Lalela ke namhlanje sikhuluma ngalo msang lo mbhoshongo lo dansa lana lo mbhoshiro dansa noma sisuda semalawo lo yabona futhi shembe angimfuni ubhushiro le hambe khona. So ubhushiro sakhumbula ukuthi wahamba le South Africa ngo 2020 ekade boshiwe wanikezwe ibheyili waphinda ngobheke emuva wagijimela kwela kube malawo seyimvile 2020 21 22 23 24 25 4 years later, or it's been 5 years uBushiri eseMalawi esadla imali zabantu basemakhaya ethu esaqamba manje uBushiri lo akanqeni nje athi nje come here, what is in your fridge? It's in your fridge. No, don't tell me. I tell you eggs. Uti, yes, Father God, yes, thank you. There, of course, there are eggs in the fridge. You Satan. Anyway, so inkantolo laseMalawi izolo ithola ukuthi South Africa iyawa meet ama requirement ukuthi uBushiri ozibiza ngumprofeti kanye nonkosikazi wakhe uMary Bushiri ba extradithwe beze South Africa bazofesa amacala abo abawabalekela eminyakeni ngeminyaka ka2022. iJustice and Constitutional Development Minister uMamoloko Kubayi welcomed the ruling by the Republic of Malawi's Lilongwe Chief Resident Magistrate Court. uBushiri, who's the leader of that church engayazi lakhe lapha yana ibizwa ngeGathering Tontoni no wife wakhe, they skipped ibail ngo November 2020 after being arrested for fraud and money laundering to the tune of 102 million that was linked to the investment scheme. South Africa ke yabe secela ukuthi babuyele lapha eSouth Africa ukuze bazofesa ama charges abo. Kulama charges khona ngisho walepha lo Sathane lo violating bail conditions and ku contradict ama financial advisory intermediaries of banking civil RV kuningi. Ijaji ke lirulile la South Africa cha iyakwazi ukuthi izokwazi usimelane nawe Bushiri lamacala ke awu10 and deemed to sufficient to warrant kuthiwa lamacala nje obe u10 ayakwenza ngempela ukuthi uBushiri angaboshwa. However, according to the statement by Malawi Ministry of Justice, the court acknowledged 4 out of 10 charges. Shuthi ke lapha yana ke South Africa ibibanika amacala u10 kodwa ke lapha kuMalawi yona ithe hayi babona ngathi abahambe bayofesa awu4 kuphela, usho ukuthi lawa u6 abangeke basakwazi ukuthi ke bawaface. Kodwa ke kusenjalo ke uBushiri ugijima yoposta lapha einkundleni zokuxhumana zalapha South Africa government will oppose the appeal. So hamba post lapha einkundleni zakhe wathi cha bona bazo appeal ukuthi ba-appeal ukuthi bangabuyeli eSouth Africa. Njengoba appeal kusangathi seminye iminyaka kodwa iSouth Africa government kuthiwa ke ithe cha sizoyi-oppose le appeal ne-department isilindile i-outcome ye-appeal bese beyahamba ke bayeMalawi bayosho ukuthi cha sizoyi-appeala ke sizosho ukuthi siyayi-oppose le appeal seminti iminyaka yu4 yonke uBushiri ehleli la esaqhubana nodlima eSouth Africa engene ephuma ngongekho emthethweni ehleli lana esaqola abantu. Usho ukuthi ke kuzothi nje bephela le viki ayiseliphelile maqala le viki leliqalayo sizozwa ngoBushiri ukuthi ke into yakhe ithini kodwa as it stands uBushiri support to come to South Africa azofaced ama charges akhe are more than 10 ekubara nokuthi walepha lokuthatha imali zabantu kanjalo. So anyway, ileso story bengaze ngitshela sona. Siyaxolisa kwabasonto kaBushiri, siyabaza abantu abasonto kaBushiri ingqondo zaba yisebenzi zithithithi nje. Most of the abantu bangaphesheya nje bangare ingqondo yakho nje ayikho smart. Hey.